Have you ever felt stuck while job hunting tech roles? You keep applying, but somehow your resume isn't getting noticed. Here's the hard truth. Recruiters spend an average of 6 seconds scanning resumes before making a decision. That means your resume needs to work fast. It must grab attention, show impact, and highlight your strengths, all within those critical seconds. Welcome back to 9 to 5 and Thriving, the place where we turn career roadblocks into breakthroughs. Today, I'm diving into 7 powerful strategies that will make your resume impossible to ignore in tech. Heads up, this might be a pretty technical episode, but stay with us. Let's get started. Number 1, start with a strong summary statement. A recruiter shouldn't have to dig through your resume to figure out who you are and what you offer. A strong summary statement provides a snapshot of your expertise right at the top, setting the tone for the rest of your resume. For example, if you are in data science, results-driven data scientist with expertise in predictive analytics and machine learning, passionate about transforming raw data into actionable business strategies that boost revenue. Guess what? This tells the hiring managers your core skills: data analysis, machine learning, your values, driving business strategy, your impact, boosting revenue. A generic seeking a job in data science will not get you noticed. This will. Hey, before we go on to the next point, have you clicked on the subscribe button? Please click on the subscribe button, like the video, help with the YouTube algorithm. Tip number 2, tailor your resume for each job. A one-size-fits-all resume is a huge risk and a huge mistake. Recruiters use application tracking system, which you generally know as ATS, that scan for specific words. If your resume doesn't match the job description, it may never even reach a human recruiter. For example, if you are in cloud engineering, if a job post emphasizes AWS architecture, containerization or Kubernetes, infrastructure as code, make sure these phrases appear in your skills section and experience bullet points, okay? General resume like worked on cloud projects do not work. However, optimized resumes sound like designed and deployed AWS cloud solution using Terraform, implementing containerization with Kubernetes and scalable performance. You see the difference? Specific, tailored resumes win interviews. Tip 3, highlight achievements, not just duties. Recruiters don't want a list of your tasks, okay? They want to see the impact of your work. If you just describe your responsibilities, your resume will blend in with hundreds of others. Instead, focus on achievements. Let's take an example of a UX UI designer. Now, a weak way to flag your responsibilities is designed mobile app interfaces. Well, a stronger way is led a UI redesign that increased user engagement by 35%, improving retention and satisfaction scores. The second version of what I just showed as strong tells recruiters what you did. UI redesign, how it impacted the product, increased engagement. The measuring of that result, 35% improvement. Numbers make your achievements tangible. Use them whenever possible. Tip number 4, keep it clean and easy to read. Recruiters scan resumes pretty fast. They don't have time to struggle through clustered layouts or complicated formatting. If your resume isn't clear and structured, you are losing opportunities. For example, for a software engineer, use bullet points. It helps recruiters skim your CV quickly. Stick to professional fonts, okay? Choose very clear fonts like Arial or Calibri, okay? Or even Times New Roman, and be consistent with that font throughout. Keep sections well organized. Clear headers for education, experience, skills, and certification. Your resume should be easy on the eye. Messy designs will get tossed aside. Number 5, use action verbs to power up your resume. Passive language makes your resume boring and forgettable. Strong action verbs create energy and show leadership. A weak one, for example, when it comes to AI and machine learning is worked on AI model optimization. No. A stronger one is developed and deployed an AI model that improved image recognition accuracy by 22%, enhancing product performance. So use power verbs like developed, led, implemented, optimize, directed. Your resume should sound confident. Action verbs make sure it does. Number 6, incorporate relevant skills and certification. Okay? Some tech roles require certification, and this is just the truth. Listing them immediately signals expertise to the recruiters. For example, in cybersecurity, if you're in cybersecurity, highlight CompTIA Plus Security, CISSP or CH. In networking, list your CCNA or Network Plus. In cloud engineering, mention your AWS solution, architect certification, because a hiring manager may only glance at your skills section. So make sure the most relevant certifications are there. Number 7 and the final one, proofread, and proofread. Why it matters is because a single typo can cost you the job. Nothing screams carelessness like a resume with spelling mistakes, poor grammar, or just awkward phrasing. Imagine applying for a leadership role, but you mistakenly write, led a team of highly skilled professionals as led a team of highly skilled professionals. Yikes! So please use tools like Grammarly and have someone else review your resume if you have to. Mistakes could ruin first impressions. Don't let that happen to you. There you have it, 7 powerful strategies to craft a resume that gets noticed. Your resume is your personal brand. Make it work for you. If today's tips helped, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and put comments below with any resume questions you have, and we will reach out to help. See you at the next episode of 9 to 5 and Thriving. Keep pushing towards success.